This is a GMC pickup, and this is the back door, or the what do you call the I forgot what you call this thing. I'll think of it in a minute. But anyway, when this thing breaks, which is what happened here, this part broke, so I had to replace it. And I had no idea how simple this was. Well, anyway, you just take that screw out. Take that screw out. This just comes off, and then your new one just slaps right in there in the same holes. There's no cables to connect, no rods, no nothing. Just stick it in there and line up the screw holes. There's one. There's two. And that's it. And that is all there is to it.